Hey guys, so if you have a problem with activating 2FA, it's not kind of like working. Open Warframe in your browser, log in with your account, do not close browser. Copy the links text from the latest email. Go back to your browser to the tab where you have warframe.com, open and log in. Paste the link into the address bar of the tab. So this is something that you want to do on how you can activate the 2FA, and if the 2FA is not working for Warframe, just do this based on this guide on Reddit and you should be good. So hope this video helped you at least a little bit. What are the things that you can try to do? And have a great day and goodbye.